Parallel and intersecting lines. What is a line? A line is a straight path that goes on forever in both directions. It doesn't have a beginning or an end. What are parallel lines? Parallel lines are two straight lines that never meet, no matter how far you extend them. They always stay the same distance apart. What are parallel lines? Example: the tracks of a railway line. The two rails never meet and are always equally spaced. How to recognize parallel lines? Use objects or drawings. Draw two horizontal lines on the board. Point out how they never touch. Show examples like the edges of a book or a table. What are intersecting lines? Intersecting lines are two lines that meet or cross each other at one point. What are intersecting lines? Example: the letter X has intersecting lines that meet at the middle. How to recognize intersecting lines? Draw two lines that cross each other. Highlight the point where they meet. Show real-life examples like the corner of a square or a pair of scissors. Real-life examples: parallel lines. Railroad tracks. Real-life examples: parallel lines. Lanes on a road. Real-life examples: parallel lines. A ladder's side rails. Real-life examples: intersecting lines. Crossroads, where two streets meet. Real-life examples: intersecting lines. Blades of an open pair of scissors. Real-life examples: intersecting lines. The letter T or X.